Are you struggling with whining product research, trying to find high-demand items for your Amazon store? Or are you very hesitant with brand approvals or gated products? Then you are at the right place. We can provide you ungate products that's not required any approval, that's new sellers can sell very easily. Hey everyone, this is Omar Farouk, a best product researcher. I have been working in the e-commerce world for 3 years. I can guide you through the fast-changing marketplace like Amazon. In today's competitive market, everyone uses same automated products research tools and end up on same product, which ultimately result in price drop due to increase in sellers. That is the reason why I offer a unique approach. We have a bunch of premium tools to analyze best products for you. The best results, which includes SellerAmp SaaS, Keepa, Buybot Pro, IP Alert. We will provide you high ROI with high profitable products. If you have extra requirements, you can contact me freely and discuss. So what are you waiting for? Order now and boost your business in field of e-commerce.